think if we mopped it, would have just taken it all right back up off the floor. That's probably a pretty good idea, Mike.
Yeah. I think it'll work pretty good.
It doesn't seem to take a lot longer either.
See if you got enough to do that back. No? Get you around.
Yeah.
There you go.
Perfect.
Okay. Start from this side. I think you work that pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can tell from here in the reflection that it's no longer running, it's just basically working its way in.
Okay.
Be careful with them spikes in that hole. Talk about a twisted ankle, that'd probably be worse
Yeah,
than a
that would
tennis
do it.
shoe.
Definitely.
It's gonna be good. I'm videotaping it, so.
Here, I want to do one thing real quick, Tom. Now hit it.
Yeah. Big, you guys are good.
Well, let's just take that one off too.
Might just have to get like a brush. I know you might not be able to spray it up in there, you might not be able to see it though. There you go.
See.
Right.
I'll squirt you. They don't really matter if it pulls back behind there.
True.
Looking good.
Yeah, it is. It's actually looking.
Okay. Ready to go a long way?
Yep.
Yeah, it just works the color into the concrete real well.
Yeah, you can see it, swirl marks.
Yeah.
That's good.
And it's a more even color altogether.
Yeah. Probably have to hit it twice and that'd be it. See if you can work it up from here some.
You go, I can take that one.
There you go.
So if you're doing a large floor, you would use what, like a 24-inch, or you think that's big enough?
That's big enough. I wouldn't go much bigger
Yeah.
than that. Because then the squirrels are going to be even bigger.
Yeah, I think this is perfect.
You know, I think we can wash that out. Actually, yeah. It'd be excellent. Okay.
I'll try to download it on my computer so you guys can see this.
Cool.
You can see a really nice effect in that floor right there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you can see a big difference in the floor.
Down through there.
Just by the wall.
Oh, you don't want to come down in there?
Yeah, all that new concrete?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, is that the new stuff?
Yeah.
just so it's balanced out.
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah, that looks really good
That
now.
little spot right there. A little wider than that.
Yeah.
You didn't give me a good grip though, did I?
No, you didn't grip. Or you still. Yeah, I like doing this more. It gives you something to do on the color part. Makes it more fun.
Yeah. True.
Or I'll pick up more of those brushes then and, I thought I'd buy you a broomstick in case you didn't have one.
Well, yeah, Dale did break one.
Yeah. Metal one.
Yeah.
At that.
Good morning, how you
How
doing
you
today?
doing?
You can step in this part where,
Okay. Sorry, I hope you guys didn't wait on that for very long.
Well, it's